Hi, my name is Muhammad, and in this video we'll discuss about the post and the pre-increment or decrement operator. But first, let me discuss about the use of variable names more than one time in the assignment operator. For example, we can have some integer variable, name my var is equal to 4. Then we say my var is equal to my var plus 3. What does this mean? Now remember that the assignment operator is used to assign what's here to my var. So we are saying that my var is assigned the value of my var plus 3, which means the new value of my var is equal to the old value, which is 4 plus 3. So if we print here the value of my var, we should get my var is equal to 3 plus 4, which is 7. Now we can also shorten this statement by saying my var plus equal to 3. So we place the operator here, and we place the number down here. Of course, we can change the operator, let's say to multiplication, change this to 21, then we should have here 21 and multiplication. Can also use the mod operator and other operator. So in this case we will have the division operator. Let's get back to the original expression. Alright, now let's say we want to increment some variable by 1. So we can simply say my var, let's say it's my var is equal to my var plus 1. Or we could say, to shorten this, my var is plus equal to 1. And of course we can shorten this more by using the post or pre-increment or decrement operator. Now let's see this one. So let's begin here with the post increment or decrement. So we have post increment and post decrement. When we say variable plus plus, variable here, the variable is some variable name, we mean that this entire thing, when we see it in some statement, will be replaced by the variable value. Alright, then the variable will be incremented by 1. Okay, now if we have variable minus minus, then we will do the same thing, but instead of incrementing we will decrement. So again, I'll repeat it, we will replace the entire thing in its current statement by the variable value, then the variable will be decremented. So far so good. Now let's discuss about the pre-increment or pre-decrement operator. Now in this operator we first increment the variable here by 1. Okay, then we replace the entire thing in its statement by the new value, the value that we get from the first one here. Okay, now for the second one we will do the same thing as the above, but we here are decrementing instead of incrementing, and I will repeat it again so that you understand it more. So first we will decrement variable by 1. Whatever value variable has, let's say it's 5, now it will be 4, for example. Then the entire thing will be replaced by the new value, which is in this example 4. Alright, now let's move on for some examples. Now let's say we have integer number 3. So here we're having 3 inside number. Then we are saying post increment value is equal to number plus plus. Let's understand what does this mean. Let's look here. We are saying that in this case variable is number. So the entire thing will be replaced by variable value. So variable value is 3. Okay, then the variable will be incremented, so number now will be 4. That's how we apply it. Okay, so now we should have for number and post increment value 3 and 4. And as you can see here, sorry, 4 and 3. Now let's go for the second example. We have here a new variable and it has the value 2. Then we are saying result is equal to minus variable plus 4. Okay, now let's go again here and understand again what does this mean. Minus variable means is that it's the same as this one, so we will, instead of increment decrement, so we will decrement the variable by 1, so variable will be decremented by 1. Okay, so variable now is equal to 1. Then plus variable will be, or minus variable will be replaced by the new variable, the new value. So the new value is 1. So here now it should be easy to know what will be printed. Variable will be 1 and result will be 5. Now if we run the program again and look for the last 2 lines, we should see variable is equal to 1 and result is equal to 5. As you can see here, we were correct. Now that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.